Hey foxes, Fism here, back on another Animal Jam video. So today the pet canaries have arrived in Jammu. Let's check them out. Okay, so here are the pet canaries. So they're very cute animals and yeah, you should totally get one. I'm not really gonna get one now, but maybe later. Let's check out the new pet toys for this canary. There is a canaries biplane. Wow, this is so awesome. Right guys? It's like a cool toy plane. Yeah, it comes in very different colors, different variants. And there is a canaries barn roost. This is very nice too. I mean, it's very cute for adding a den like a decor, and yeah, it's very nice. Comes in different colors too. Bye foxes, and comment down below if you buy this new canary. See you in my next video. Bye.